Tabla, tabla, tabla.
Do you remember where we're still in high school?
Yes, I do.
The fun times and the happiness that we shared is such an amazing time.
When we were still healthy, that's when we learned to change from.
Oh, I love that place.
Like in high school, we came up those